Hello everyone, my name is Marie with Viana Care, and in today's video we'll have a closer look at the exciting Korean fat dissolving product Kabelline. We'll talk about what this product does, how it's supposed to be used, and we'll also have a look at a procedure performed by Tiffany from It Hurts to Be Beautiful. Okay, let's get started and talk about what this product does. Kabelline is a Korean brand which is comparable to Kybella and it's also FDA approved. This is a homeopathic liposuction product which is meant to be used for body and facial contouring. It is especially popular for double chins, arm fat or belly fat. So Kabelline contains deoxycholic acid, and when this is injected into the skin, it will break down fat cells which are then naturally degraded and removed from the body. Okay, now let's have a closer look at the benefits of using Kabelline. First of all, it's a very painless procedure. There are no side effects, it dissolves fat cells, and you'll notice quick results. Okay, up next, let's have a look at how to use this product. One vial of Kabelline contains 8 milliliters, and this is enough for one treatment. This equals to having around 40 injections of each 0.2 milliliters. Kabelline comes in a very beautiful sleeved box. Each box contains 5 vials. It also comes with a strap which you can put on after the procedure and leave for about 30 minutes to reduce the swelling. Okay, now let's have a look at Tiffany's procedure, but before we do that, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you stay up to date when we post new and exciting content.
Hi, I'm Tiffany with Viana Care, and I'm here today to talk to you about Kabelline. Let's open one up and I'll show you how this works. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to see this little arrow there, and you're going to pop the top off. And you'll want to pull it down all the way so that it pops like that. And so therefore you can get the entire metal ring off the top. Be careful not to cut yourself because sometimes it can be pretty sharp. And then you'll see there's a little plastic stopper here. You'll just pop that off and then there you go. So I'm going to put mine back on right now because I am going to give it a little shake before I start filling my syringes. Now, I'm going to be using a 0.3 milliliter syringe. As you can see, I've already marked the areas I'm going to go. It looks like I'm going to be doing about 15 injection spots. And I'm only going to use 4 milliliters total and do the 15 injections. So as we go, I'll explain how I'm doing that. Okay, so here we go. I filled my syringes. I am using the 0.3 syringe. So approximately 3 of these syringes equals 1 milliliter. I am only going to do 2.1 milliliters, which will be 7 syringes, 0.3 milliliters each syringe, 7 syringes, which is going to end up being 14 injection points. So we'll go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have blocked these out. So I've taken the portion of my chin that seems the largest and I've blocked it out. You'll want to stay 1 centimeter away from the jawbone. So I have made a line there in order to not get in that area. And I'm going to go next to each dot that I made. It doesn't have to be precise, but you want to be about 1 centimeter away from each injection point. So I'm just going to get started. And I'm going to go to the 15 mark because that's half of the syringe for each injection. And these needles are nice because they're very, very short and they're very easy to use and not go too deep. Now, sometimes these burn as they go in. But this Kabelline is not doing that. Sometimes the lipo lab will burn as it goes in, but from what I can see, that's not happening with this. And I didn't numb for this. All I'm feeling is the pinprick. And it's not bothering me. And this deoxycholate acid is a natural, something natural that's actually in our bodies already. So you really don't have to worry about it too much. Okay, and I have one more syringe. I think I need to get over here. 2 more spots to hit. So I think that I'll get these over here. Oops. Okay, there we go. Looks like I might have a little bruise right there. I'm just gonna hold that down and put pressure on it and it'll be fine. And then what I'll do is I'll put that strap on that they gave me, the strap that goes around the chin, and wear that for a couple of hours just to keep the pressure. So that was the Kabelline, and I hope you were able to gather some information and see how you use this product.
Okay, so this was Tiffany's procedure. I hope it was useful and you managed to gather some information about Kabelline. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!